Legal disclaimer: do not make this trade. Seriously, don't. This video is for educational purposes only and placed by a professional trader from Maverick Trading. Maverick Trading is sponsoring this trading experiment with a $100,000 trading account. To trade for Maverick Trading, you can submit an application for stock, option trader, or currency trader from the link in the video description below.
Happy Friday, everybody. This is Rob, and we are on to trade number 90. Just in case this is your first time here, what in the world are we doing here? We are showing that the biggest conspiracy theory in trading is how much the entry matters. Now look, the entry does matter, but there are thousands and thousands of books, websites, all about getting in the best entry point. And there's no one talking about the exit, which is, in my opinion, more important. And that's the whole purpose of this experiment, is to show that you can make money just off of getting out at the right time. So we're using random methods, we're flipping coins, we're doing all this dumb stuff to show that position management is just as important, if not more important, than the entry. So on trade number 90, it is Friday. We usually do a news event on Friday. We are going into a 3-day holiday weekend here in the United States. This weekend is Memorial Day. Equity markets will be closed on Monday. And if you're unfamiliar with Memorial Day, it is a day where we honor our soldiers who have fallen in battle in the past wars. And we also go and honor our loved ones who have passed. And it's a beautiful day. You drive past cemeteries and there's just thousands and thousands of flowers and people. It's just a beautiful day. So I figured let's go with that theme and do something in the cemetery burial business. I do not have much knowledge on the cemetery business, but I had Googled, okay, what about companies that are dealing with this business? And I came up with 4. So this is a Yahoo article, and come across with 4 stocks: Service Corporation International, Hillenbrand, Matthews International Corporation, and Carriage Services. So we're going to choose one of these 4. This is going to be our trade. Let's check them out on a chart. All right, first off, let's check out SCI. Now, what I want to check out is volume. Do they have enough volume for us to trade? So here's SCI on the largest volume day. It did 2 million shares. On the lowest volume day, 600,000 or 700,000. Okay, that's right on the border. Let's take a look at this Hillenbrand HI. Now look, I'm looking at this because I don't think a lot of these are going to be tradable with the amount of volume they have. I haven't heard of any of these stocks, not that I know all stocks, but I know they're probably going to be lower volume. So on low volume days, this stock trades 200,000 shares. On high volume days, up to 1 million. This one's a little bit too low in volume. Matthews International, MATW. Let's see, on a high volume day, 500,000. Low volume day, 91,000. That one's not going to work. And then Carriage Services, CSV. And let's see, high volume day, 500,000, low volume day, 50,000. Okay, so it looks like the first one we did, CSI. No, wait, that's not right. SCI. My dyslexia is getting me. SCI. Service Corporation International. Looks like this is going to be the trade here. Let's take a look at this 13 EMA. You can see the moving average is sloping higher. So we are going to be long. Current price is $71.38, and the current ATR is $1.42. It is May 24th. Our trade is SCI. We're going to be long at $71.38. ATR is $1.42. That means our initial trailing stop, our 2x trailing stop, is going to start at $68.54. Let's do position sizing, make the trade, and then we'll come back and update all the numbers. Let's go grab our account balance. Our account balance currently is $111,668. Put that number in right here. We're doing 1% risk. Entry was 71.38. And the stop loss is 68.54. We're going to just hit that calculate button and it's going to automatically tell us what our position size should be, 393 shares. Let's go make that trade and then wrap this up. Putting in the ticker symbol SCI. We are going to be buying, we're going to be long. Our position size was 393. I'm going to put that limit price just a little bit up above the ask here. I'm going to attach a trailing stop. So attach this right to this order, 284. That's 2x ATR on this one. Go ahead and hit submit. All right, and the trade is in and the trade is filled. Fill price was $71.51. So we're going to update everything and close this one up. So the final trade was done at $71.51. We already have our initial 2x trailing stop in. So if it goes against us, it's taken care of. We don't have to do anything here. There's no more decisions to be made. The only two things we need to do is if it goes for us. If it goes 2x in our favor, 2x ATR, we're going to tighten up that trailing stop a little bit. If it goes to 4x ATR, we're going to tighten it up a little bit more. And at some point, it'll knock us out of that one. And then we'll be done with the trade. There's nothing to do but to sit and watch. So that is your job on position management, to not screw it up. Anything else you do is screwing it up. Everyone have a great weekend. Take care, everybody.